Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan and I'm a legal intern in LEXCLIQ company, and today's topic of mine is copyright. As we know, this copyright protects the literary and the artistic work of the creator. Here is the introduction to it. The Copyright Act 1957 is based upon the Berne Convention and the Copyright Act 1911, which was being amended in 1983, 84, 94, 99 and 2012. In India, there is a Copyright Office and a Copyright Board who helps in registration of the creator and also helps in settlement of the kinds of disputes related to the copyright. What's the meaning related to the copyright? A copyright is a collection of rights that automatically vest to someone who creates an original work of authorship, like a literary work, song, movie, software. This right include the right to reproduce the work, to prepare derivative work, to distribute the copies, and to perform and display the work in a public. Here are the basic elements related to the copyright. There are mainly three elements which are required in order to protect the work by copyright. That is, firstly, it should be original. Original means work for which the creator needs to perform a protection must be an original and it cannot be copied from another person. A work of authorship, that means work must be produced of a creative expression that falls under the category of copyright subject matter. And thirdly, it is fixed. Fixed means the work is said to be fixed so long as it is sufficiently permanent or stable to permit it is of primitive, reproduce or otherwise communicated for a period of more than transitory duration. And here is the need for the copyright protection. As we note, in today's time period, there is a very much need of right to protect our work. Thus, for that, there is a copyright law. It ensures certain minimum safeguard of the rights of authors over their creation. As well as we know, the economic and the social development of the society depends upon the creativity, and thus such creativity is needed to be protected for the copyright law, which is provided as under the Copyright Act. And here is the scope related to the Copyright Act 1957. It protects ordinarily the literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work, cinematograph, films, and sound recording. In the case related to the patent, the copyright protects the expression and not the ideas. Thus, there is no copyright in an idea. So here we are discussing about the copyright, whether there is a need for registration of a copyright as per the law. There is no need for the registered to a work claim a copyright. A copyright is automatic and it does not require any formality related to law. A certificate of registration of a copyright and entries made therein is a severe prima facie evidence for the court with reference to a dispute relating to the ownership of the copyright. Is the copyright protected in a perpetuity? No. It is protected for a limited period of time, and the term period, the basic general rule related to it, that is copyright lasts for 60 years. In the case of original literary, dramatic, musical and artistic work, the 60 years of period is counted from the year following from the year following the death of the author. Whether there is an administration related to the copyright law, the government has set up an administration, that is the Copyright Enforcement Advisory Council CEAC, and the special courts for the copyright. Whether there is a need for a special court? No. If there is any of the dispute that arises related to the copyright, it can be tried for a regular courts, and there is a copyright board to adjudicate certain cases pertaining the copyright. Guys, this was all about the copyright law and its administration. Please do write in the comment section if you need any information related to it, and please do subscribe this channel LexCliq.in.